mean, yeah, people walk into the high street bank and they're limited to that one bank because they think that's who they bank with, so that's who they're going to go to. Not realising different banks have different criteria, and not everyone is suited to their banks. They walk in there, ask for a mortgage, get declined, and they're like, oh. So that's me done.
You talk about that emotional thing about getting declined, and it's kind of like the fear of God that gets into people. When's the best time for someone to start talking to a mortgage broker? Because I can imagine if you've taken the missus to look at a house, she's fallen in love with it, then it's like, oh, we need to get a mortgage in place.
At that point.
Really?
If your wife falls in love with a place and it's in this bracket, and you think you can afford this just because you run a quick affordability calculator, but not put all the relevant information in, it doesn't always work like that. The best time is early as possible.
So if you're looking for that first time property, how long do people need to get their credit scores and look at all that kind of stuff, or is it just a case of coming and having a conversation with you?
Having a conversation. It starts with a conversation, and you start with saying, let's tidy up bank accounts, let's make sure if you're getting transactions to and from your own personal accounts, let's make sure they haven't got funny names on. Lenders are going to look at this. Let's make sure you're on an electoral roll. You'd be surprised, people are like, electoral roll, and they don't realise that can have a negative effect. Different lenders have different ways they look at criteria.
Someone said to me years ago that if you buy the lottery regularly, that a lender would look at how much you're kind of gambling, or William Hill or things like that.
It can be. Let's be honest. If you're earning 100k a year and you're spending £500 a month, and not too bad. You're earning 20k and you're spending £500 a month. There's a different light shone on that. So it's relevant to your case.